Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 BMW 8 Series. The 2024 BMW 8 Series has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, underscoring its excellence in blending performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. The 8 Series continues to define what a grand touring sports car should be, offering an unparalleled driving experience that caters to both enthusiasts and those who appreciate high-end comfort. Unmatched performance and dynamic driving. The 2024 BMW 8 Series is available in several configurations, each delivering exceptional performance. The lineup includes the 840i, with a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine producing 375 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, and the M850i xDrive, which boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine generating a thrilling 523 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. The M850i xDrive accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, providing a rapid and exhilarating driving experience. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. The 8 Series features BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, enhancing traction and stability, while the adaptive M suspension offers a balance between sporty handling and ride comfort. The car's precise steering and powerful brakes make it agile and composed on a variety of road conditions. Luxurious design and high-tech interior. The 2024 8 Series showcases a design that exudes elegance and athleticism. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines, large kidney grilles, and muscular stance give it a commanding presence on the road. The interior is equally impressive, featuring high-quality materials such as leather, wood, and metal accents that create a luxurious ambience. The 8 Series comes equipped with BMW's latest iDrive 8 system, which includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen for infotainment. The cabin is designed with driver comfort in mind, offering supportive seats with multiple adjustments, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and advanced climate control features. Advanced safety and technology. The 2024 BMW 8 Series is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies not only enhance driving safety but also contribute to the car's overall comfort and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW 8 Series stands out as the best luxury sports car for 2025 due to its exceptional performance, luxurious design, and advanced technology. It offers a perfect balance of power, elegance, and sophistication, making it a top choice for those who seek a high-end driving experience. Whether on long-distance journeys or spirited drives, the BMW 8 Series remains a premier option for discerning drivers.